Hey y'all, it's Rose and I'm back with another video. This is going to be a business credit card for you that is actually also going to report to your business credit, and it is a no credit check at all. So make sure you guys stay to the end. I have a special link for you so you can get signed up with them today. Now, the name of this company is going to be called Revenue. And as I was saying, it is no credit check. They do not pull your personal credit at all to approve you. They do not do any hard inquiries, and they do not charge any type of additional annual fees at all. With Revenue, this business credit card, they will approve you based on your actual business revenue that is coming in. That's pretty much how it works. And for them specifically, they cater more so to people who don't have good credit scores. The majority of the clients are people who have less than a 650 credit score. So this is for my people who don't have the best personal credit, but you need some type of business credit card or funding to kind of further afloat your business and get you to where you need to be. Now, for them specifically, they do report to Dun Bradstreet on your business credit. And when you open up an account with them, you're going to be able to view your business credit score with Dun Bradstreet. And you will also be given 3 reasons as to why your score is what it is specifically. So you'll know if there's anything you need to improve to get your business credit score up as far as your Dun Bradstreet score, which is considered your paydex score. Now, with them specifically, I want to let you guys know how you can qualify with Revenue. One of the reasons is you need to be a U.S. based business. You need to have a separate individual business checking account and have monthly sales of at least $20,000. So this particular business credit card is going to be for more so businesses that are established, because one of the requirements is you have to have been operating for a minimum of 1 year, no negative bank balances beyond 3 days each month, not operating in the banking or lending industry because that would be considered a conflict of interest for them. And you keep a average daily bank account balance of $1,000 or more. So based on these requirements, as I was saying, this is going to be more so for people who have established businesses where you're bringing in revenue on a regular basis, but you need that additional capital to help hold you over as you continue to grow your business. So those are the basic requirements. Now that we've gotten those out the way, I want to let you know pretty much the steps on what you need to do for your application. So with step 1, you're pretty much just going to enter your email address, put in your basic business personal information so that you can go ahead and create your account and get started on the application itself. And then the last step is they are going to collect your business information, your basic banking information as well, because for this, you will have to give your banking information to show proof of who you bank with and what your general revenue each month looks like, since it is a requirement for you to be making at least $20,000 or more coming into that bank account with at least $1,000 balance per month and not being in a negative more than 3 days out of each month. So once you provide all of that basic business information, you will have been completed your application. And one of the other reasons why I really like them is once submitting your application, you can actually be approved for funding within just a few hours. So you don't have to wait a long time to see what your approval amount is, and then you will get that business credit card specifically from Revenue. Once you get your business credit card from them, you create your account. That is going to start reporting on your actual business credit with Dun Bradstreet within the next 30 to 45 days max. So you're going to actually be getting a business credit card, building your business credit based off of your business revenue, and you're going to be getting capital money that you can spend towards your business and be, paying back on. So, as far as what you get approved for the business credit card itself, they're considered a flex line of credit. The amount of flex line, it is going to depend on your business performance as it grows and the revenue that you are bringing in on a regular basis. So remember, you can get financed and approved within a few hours, and they'll let you know from there what that amount is. As your business continues to grow, that amount that they've approved you for can also continue to grow as well. And once you are signed up, you will be able to speak with your own live agent that is a manager of your account. So if you have any questions or concerns, you will have your own specific manager of your account that is going to explain to you, hey, this is how much you got approved for. This is how things work. If you need any additional help or questions about repayment, definitely just let them know. So you're going to have a live person. You don't have to worry about sending out emails or doing those chats whenever you need help with your business credit card. So that is another perk. The application process is super easy. So if you guys are interested in getting started with revenue today, I'm going to link everything for you guys below so you can go ahead and start. It'll be in the description, and I'll also put it on the screen for you. This is a great opportunity for businesses that are already established and have been in business for at least 1 year. I suggest you go ahead and apply for the business credit card. It's not a hard pull on your credit, so you don't have to worry about it affecting you negatively in that way. And because I know you guys have direct questions for me, you want additional business credit and funding options, if you would like to set up a business consultation with me where I can go through your business setup and see how I can assist you with getting funded, please be sure to click the link above. I'm going to put it on the screen so you can book your next business consultation with me. And if you have not already, comment in the comment section and let me know that you have made it to the end of this video. Please like and subscribe, comment, and let me know what your next business funding or business credit goals are. I want to be sure that I am helping you guys. And if you are still shacking up with me and you have not actually subscribed to my channel, please subscribe so that the additional business information I'm going to be dropping for you guys, whether it be business credit, funding, grants that you can get for your business, you will be notified as soon as those things are made available to you. I'll see y'all next time. Thank you again for hanging with me here at Rose Credit Repair. And don't forget, like, subscribe, comment below. If you have any credit questions, I'm going to be answering them myself in the comments. So you know what to do. Until next time.